Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. Let's take a closer look at the Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand, our mobile solution for your Microsoft Teams huddle room deployments. But first, what is Microsoft Express Install for Teams Rooms? Microsoft's Express Install program for Teams Rooms accelerates and streamlines deployments with pre-configured hardware solutions that require minimal setup. The program focuses on fast, repeatable installations that avoid in-wall wiring and reduce contractor involvement, empowering organizations to enhance more of their meeting spaces with Microsoft Teams Rooms. Designed specifically for your Express install projects, this rolling stand empowers one person to deploy a fully functional Teams room in just 1 hour, with no tools and no stress. This compact stand's rolling base is about the size of an office chair and is specifically designed to replace any chair from any existing meeting table in any small meeting space in your enterprise, which means you probably have many spaces primed to be Microsoft Teams Rooms enabled when paired with this stand. Allow me to give you a product tour. The stand's rolling base features an incredibly strong construction of intersecting steel tubes. Our patent-pending Heckler connection system enables fast, tool-free assembly. Multiple stands can nest tightly together to greatly reduce required floor space while in storage or staged for mass deployments. The stand's casters feature large, 4-inch diameter twin wheels to roll smoothly over carpet, sidewalks, and door thresholds. When set, its total lock brakes halt wheel spin and caster rotation. At the heart of the Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand is the device panel. This single plane is your all-in-one surface for mounting and organizing your display, video bar, mini PCs, power adapters, power strips, and extra cabling. Let's take a closer look. Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand supports 43-inch, 50-inch, and 55-inch displays, ideal for close collaboration in compact huddle spaces. It supports displays with VESA 200 or VESA 300 horizontal mounting patterns. Note that VESA 400 mounting patterns are not supported. This is intentional to help ensure oversized displays cannot be installed, keeping your stand stable and balanced. Mounting your display to this whole pattern is easy. Simply fasten the provided M6 or M8 set screws and spacers to your display, hang the display, then fasten the display to the device panel with the included thumb nuts. On the device panel, below the display mounting area, you'll find the universal video bar mounting pattern. This aesthetic hole pattern is designed for compatibility with wall mounting brackets from Logitech and other popular video bar brands. The remaining surface of the device panel features an expansive field of Heckler grid. The upper area of the grid has ample open space for mounting mini PCs up to 2 inches tall. Simply strap the mini PC to the Heckler grid or use the VESA 100 mounting holes to fasten your mini PC's mounting bracket. The remaining area of Heckler grid can accommodate your power adapters, power strips, and extra cabling. Lastly, the openness of device panel's hole pattern provides excellent passive airflow around your mounted components. On to the cover. The Felt-Right cover features tool-free installation, a warm premium feel, acoustic dampening, and RF transparency. You can configure your rolling stand with a cover in the standard cast color or select from any of Felt-Right's curated palette of 42 stunning colors. To enhance the aesthetic of your deployment, you can even order your stands with your logo or other artwork printed on the cover. Opt for a subtle logo that complements your panel color, a simple white logo, or bold full-color artwork. But what about tap devices? They need a place to live too. The tap mounting shelf, compatible with tap and tap IP, attaches directly to the center beam, providing a stable, easily accessible platform for your touch controller. That does it for the tour. Now it's time to show you why we're so proud of Express Install Rolling Stand's ease of assembly. With Express Install's goal of one person, one room in 1 hour, we designed the rolling stand for tool-free, frustration-free assembly. Let's begin. First, insert the casters into the leg sockets. Next, Insert the legs into the beam and upright the stand. Then fasten the device panel to the column, and next fasten the column to the beam. Now it's time to mount your display. Simply fasten the provided M6 or M8 set screws and spacers to your display, hang the display, and fasten the display to the device panel with the included thumb nuts. After your display is mounted, fasten your video bar's wall mount to the universal hole pattern directly below your display. Then fasten your video bar to its wall mount. The Express Install Rolling Stand is compatible with Rally Bar Mini, Rally Bar Huddle, MeetUp 2, and other popular video bars designed for smaller meeting rooms. Next, mount your power adapters, power strips, and cabling inside the device panel. Lastly, install the Feltrite cover, and your assembly is complete, with many minutes to spare to provision your MTR computer, video bar, and touch controller. No construction, no dust, no cleaning crew. If you've got a room with a table and chairs, you're an hour from deploying your first of many Microsoft Teams rooms. As a final note, the Express Install Rolling Stand is ADA, ACA, and TAA compliant, perfect for use in enterprise, public sector, and government facilities. As you can see, the Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand is your mobile, tool-free solution for deploying Microsoft Teams rooms at scale. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand, check the link below or visit heckler.com.